The new ONE 18-volt fogger from RYOBI is a versatile tool, ideal for spraying disinfectants, cleaning solutions, insecticides, fungicides, and herbicides. It's perfect for spraying chemical solutions over large areas quickly and efficiently, both indoors and outdoors. RYOBI's fogger differs from a traditional sprayer in one key way. The fogger atomizes the chemicals, meaning the droplets are much smaller. This gives you three main advantages. First, the smaller particles can travel further than a traditional sprayer can reach, up to 4.5 meters away. This is great for spraying larger hedges and trees. Second, atomized droplets settle evenly and penetrate further on hard-to-reach surfaces. This ensures more efficient distribution of the chemical. Last, the fogger can be used indoors, in well-ventilated areas of course, to spray cleaning chemicals and disinfectants, as it will create a mist rather than leaving surfaces wet to the touch. Fill up the tank with your preferred chemical using the easy-to-use access cap. The tank holds up to 2 liters, meaning you can spray for a long period of time without refilling. The fogger can cover up to 93 meters squared per minute, so you can cover large areas with solution quickly. Remember, always wear the appropriate personal protective equipment. If you need to prevent mosquitoes, remove mold, eliminate mildew, or clean large areas, the new RYOBI ONE Fogger is ready for the job. And best of all, it's part of the ONE system of great tools for the home and garden.